A sensory check confirms the interior. Flaky pastry, steaming, flavorful filling. Emerging, perfectly preserved in a state of suspended animation.
Teeth roosting basset. Approved, they continue forward to cooking.
Cooked evenly on all sides as they journey beneath the surface. Gradually, the magic of heat and time bestows the perfect color. The day's ingredients arrive, the cold chain unbroken. Premium flour, the foundation of the perfect pastry. Transferred via sealed pneumatic system to maintain purity. In parallel, potatoes begin their transformation. Gently abraded to remove every trace of skin. Human eyes ensure only flawless pieces continue. Creating uniformity, the first rule of industrial scale. In the spice room, flavor is a precise science. The foundational flour is stored in climate-controlled silos. Every parameter is tested. Even moisture content is critical.
Salt and oil are pre-blended for even distribution in the dough.
Blended with robotic consistency, batch after batch.
Quality is judged by human senses as much as by instruments. All components converge here, where precision meets process. Water is filtered to remove all impurities that could affect texture. Salt and oil are pre-blended for even distribution in the dough. Pre-measured flour feeds into the vorte. The heart of the pastry, the dough mixer. The binding agents are added with precision timing.
The Rev Cape. The hook works the mixture, developing the gluten structure until it forms one cohesive, pliable mass.
The dough must rest. This journey in a controlled climate allows the gluten to relax. Divided into standardized portions for consistent results.
The perfect texture, supple, elastic, and ready.
Ensuring it will roll out without shrinking or tearing. The diced potatoes meet the infused oil. The custom spice blend is added, coating every piece.
Peas and carrots add sweetness, color, and texture.
Cooked to perfection, fragrant, savory, and holding its shape. Every batch must pass a sensory evaluation before proceeding. Approved, the filling is transferred for rapid cooling. It enters a blast chiller. Rapid cooling is critical for food safety and texture preservation. It must reach below 5 degrees Celsius before proceeding. The chilled filling is now ready for its final texture adjustment. A gentle grind creates the ideal consistency, fluffy with perfect body. Elevated to the assembly line. where it will meet its pastry case. A final quality check verifies aroma, taste, and binding quality. The rested dough begins its transformation into pastry. Until it achieves the perfect thinness for a crisp, flaky crust.
Inspected for any imperfections in thickness or consistency.
A synchronized cutter stamps out the classic shape with machine precision. Precisely placed for the filling operation.
In place. A fine water mist activates the dough's natural adhesives.
The raw samosas now face their first quality inspection. Any imperfection in the seal is removed. Consistency is paramount. Automated checks ensure each piece meets exact weight specifications. Every single samosa passes through a final safety checkpoint. Teeth roosting basset. Approved, they continue forward to cooking.
Rejected, they are automatically removed from the line. Their next destination, transformation by heat. The reaction is instantaneous. Cooked evenly on all sides as they journey beneath the surface. Gradually, the magic of heat and time bestows the perfect color. Turned midway for perfectly even browning on every surface. Temperature is constantly monitored and logged. Consistency is engineered. Emerging, the excess oil drains away immediately, leaving only crispness. To lock in crispness, they begin a long, spiraling cool-down.
Filtered air circulates, bringing them gently to room temperature.
A final, powerful air blast ensures a clean, non-greasy finish. Only when they reach a safe handling temperature do they proceed. A sensory check confirms the interior, flaky pastry, steaming, flavorful filling. To preserve this freshness, they enter a cryogenic flash freezer. Here, at temperatures far below freezing, preservation happens in minutes.
Rapid freezing creates tiny ice crystals, locking in texture and flavor.
A core temperature check confirms the deep freeze is complete and safe. Emerging, perfectly preserved in a state of suspended animation. Their final journey begins, from individual pieces to packaged product. The packaging floor, where precision meets scale. A multi-head weigher portions with incredible speed and accuracy. Air is evacuated to prevent freezer burn, creating an airtight seal. The result? A perfectly protected, store-ready product. Vital traceability data is applied directly to the package. A vision system scans to ensure every code is perfect. Every bag is weighed again. Tolerance is measured in fractions of a gram. For shipment, bags are packed into corrugated cases, formed automatically. The case is sealed with a bond stronger than tape, ensuring security. A final compression creates a flawless, durable package. Labeled with all the information needed for its journey through the supply chain. Cases from all lines converge at the palletizing station. A robotic palletizer takes over, building loads with superhuman strength and precision.
Each layer is placed in a specific, interlocking pattern for maximum stability.
It is then secured in a cocoon of stretch film, stabilizing the entire load. Clearly marked to protect the integrity of the product at every handoff. The pallet begins its journey into the heart of cold storage. When an order is placed, the system knows exactly where to find the required product. A refrigerated truck, pre-cooled to temperature, arrives at the dispatch bay. The pallet is loaded, maintaining the unbroken cold chain. A wireless temperature logger is placed with the shipment. It will record every degree of its journey.
Paperwork is completed, transferring custody and responsibility.
The samosas begin their journey to distributors, stores, and ultimately, tables. The journey culminates here, where choice meets quality.
And finally, in the home, the preserved quality is revived with heat.
Completing the transformation that began on the factory floor. The result? A moment of shared enjoyment, crafted by precision.
Transforming simple ingredients into moments of connection.
A promise of quality, baked into every piece. A new day begins with the team that makes it all possible. From raw ingredient to finished product, it's a process built on precision, tradition, and technology.